All right, guys, welcome back. This video is going to be all about how to analyze a poem and a painting, so you guys know what to do on your activity. Hopefully, help you out a little bit. So this first one we're going to do is how to analyze a poem. So the first thing you want to do when you're looking at a poem is read through it. So you're going to read through the poem once or twice before beginning to break it down. Then after that, hopefully you can kind of get the theme or what it's getting at. And then number two would be the title. So the first thing you're going to look at after reading through it a couple times is what message does the title give to the reader or the audience. So what does the title mean if you kind of know what it means, or what message is it portraying? And then number three is author. So you're going to look to see who is the author of the poem, and then what do you know about him or them, and what do you know about the author, the message that they were trying to portray during the Harlem Renaissance. That will help you out a lot. And then four, you're going to move on is the mood and tone. So what is the mood or feelings that you get from the poem and author when you read it? When you're reading it, after you read it, what is the mood or tone that you're receiving? Number five, what is the overall poem reacting or connecting to? So what is the theme of the poem, if you can pull it out of the structure that I have in place? And then number six, lastly, is the message. So what is the author saying or trying to say, and why? So that's how you analyze a poem. Kind of take it step by step. Hopefully, if you take it step by step, you guys should understand what the poem is trying to portray or what it's really saying, in a not figurative way, if that makes sense. The second part is going to be how to analyze a painting. So it's a little bit different, but in the same way, it's something similar to when you guys were breaking down the political cartoons. The first thing you want to do is look at the artist. So again, who is the artist and what background information do you know about them? That'll help you out a lot. Most of the time, I believe in this one's going to be Jacob Lawrence. So looking at the past video and the slides, what do we know about him? Number two, first impressions. So what sticks out to you the most when you're first looking at it? The very first thing you do when you look at it, what sticks out to you? And then number three will be colors. So what colors are used in the painting and why? Are they more dark? Are they more vibrant? More black and white? More brown, red? Whatever it may be, this is where you're going to label that, because that kind of helps towards the overall message. Number four is object symbols. So what objects and symbols are in the painting and what do they represent? This could be anything from like a trumpet to something that someone's wearing. Could be a hat, could be a jacket, could be a coat, whatever it may be. These are the objects and symbols that you guys want to hopefully write down. And then number five is people. So who's in the photo? Obviously, if you don't know the person, it may not be obvious. It may be just a random person in a painting. Kind of describe what that person is doing, or who do you think, what overall larger community they belong to. And then number six is location and setting. So where is this painting taking place? Is it outside? Is it in a park? Is it in a restaurant? Is it in a nightclub during the Harlem Renaissance? Whatever it may be. And then the last part is number seven, the message. Again, what does this painting mean or represent and why? So that why aspect for both the poem and the painting are really important on number seven, what the overall message is. What do you think it means or represents, either the poem or painting, and why? So maybe one to two sentences on why you think what you said is true. Other than that, you guys are more than welcome to go ahead and start the activity. It's going to be in the Google Docs, so please read the directions for the assignment. You'll have to analyze two poems, two paintings, and then go ahead and write a written portion, like most of your assignments there at the bottom. So don't forget to do that as well. Again, if you have questions, please feel free to ask me or Mr. Plano, whether that's virtually over Zoom or email or in person if we are in person when you're watching this. Thank you guys, and good luck on the activity.